Hi guys, my name is Ryo Kaneko. Yes, I'm a Kumiko4u guy. I'm a woodworker from Japan, now living in Adelaide, Australia. I'm Japanese and I am not good at speaking English, so I don't usually appear in videos, but this time I made an effort. I'd like to introduce my workshop where I make the Kumiko4u jigs. So this is a CNC machine. I use this very precise CNC cutting machine to cut the jigs. Then I assemble at here. I really like making Kumiko. I feel a sense of achievement at each step of making the frames and parts, and the finished Kumiko is very beautiful. I want more people to enjoy this wonderful art of making Kumiko. I can imagine people using my Kumiko4u jigs like any other hobby. Some people like knitting or painting, and some people like woodworking. And my jig are the tools they need for this hobby. This is the concept behind the Kumiko4u. Anyone can enjoy this hobby, not just master woodworkers. It would make me very happy to see the Kumiko you have made with the Kumiko4u jigs. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video. See ya!